I spent 22 years trying to make money online, and I honestly thought that I was the problem. Maybe it was my ADD. I am a little squirrel brain. Maybe I just couldn't stick with anything long enough. Maybe I was just a failure. Maybe I just wasn't smart enough. The thing was, I wasn't failing, I was restarting. I am a homeschooling mom. My name is Kelly. I have 11 kiddos, 5 still at home. We were behind on our mortgage. I couldn't even think about Christmas some years. My husband was working as hard as he could, was working all the hours he could, and I felt like I kept coming to him with another idea that didn't work. I tried MLMs. I tried side hustles. I tried making my own skin products. I tried affiliate marketing. I tried Etsy shop. I tried so many things over the years. Nothing worked. Nothing made me substantial income. But every time I tried something new, I was going back to zero. I was restarting, I was resetting, and that was my problem. What changed was not my effort. It wasn't luck. It was that I learned something and became smarter. I stopped trying to invent something from scratch and did something that was already working and picked one product, one path, and one system. 48 hours later, $900 hit my bank account. But that wasn't the breakthrough. The breakthrough was not the $900. It was that I finally had clarity. I could stop guessing. I could stop piecing things together. I could stop researching this tool and that platform and this idea. I could stop starting over every month. For the first time in 22 years, I wasn't restarting. I was building something that actually worked. If you have been trying and failing, it's not because you're lazy. It's because no one has handed you a clear, simple, structured path. That's what you're missing. Most moms don't fail because they can't do it, because they keep starting over. Now, I created a short video that breaks down exactly what it is that finally made the breakthrough for me, that finally moved the needle, that finally changed my bank account, because I just wanted something that worked. If you are serious about stopping and starting, if you're serious about just moving forward, not starting over, not doing any more research, this is what changed everything for me, and I believe it will for you. Check the description below, watch that video, and then reply back to me with any questions you have. I would love to answer them.